I work in many different fields with my office. We are based in Milan, but we have an office also in Seoul, Korea, South Korea. I work in three main fields of action, I would say. One is commercial, one is cultural, and one is urban. We can use different expertise moving from one field to another to develop different projects with innovation and quality. And I think this is a new way of designing, approaching to a very professional and leading quality project in the world. And talking about commercial, nowadays all the stores are completely changing. And we are very much into this kind of a field of design, trying to innovate in a relationship and try to achieve a very high level of, I would say, interaction with our clients. This is a new way of designing stores and retail. Identity and branding are more important than real objects. And all the companies, very important companies, they like to establish a strong relationship with the public. Another very important field of action is the cultural field. Museums and exhibitions area are now very much into our cities, and all visitors, tourists, and also inhabitants of the cities are interested in understanding the cultural aspect. And I think there's new way of designing these kind of spaces to attract people, to be more commercial, to be more, I would say, integrated in the local culture. The interesting part is how to approach to this kind of field, graphic, to branding, to commercial, to video, to the, I would say, interactive activities with the public. We had the chance to develop those kind of expertise, and it would be very interesting to explain this process to students or to people interested in learning these kind of activities. When we talk about urban design, it's how to establish with our public spaces a new relationship. It's the key factor to be sustainable in the future. We need to develop parks, we need to develop squares, we need to develop places in which elder people, young generation, they can meet and do activities and this is sustainable, this is ethic in for our future. And all those aspects that we had the chance to develop in our office, and I would be very pleased to share our expertise in those different fields of actions. But it's also very interesting to have like a strong relationship with the young generations and students, and to have like a master or workshop with them to share some project and try to analyze not only from the architect's point of view, but also from, I would say, a cultural point of view to share ideas. So I think education is the new aspect to develop sustainable cities and also to develop quality innovation in different fields that could become very strong in commercial and in cultural professions.